If money doesn't buy happiness, explain this. So, if you go to Grand Central right now, you'll find this mini NYC print vending machine.
There it is.
And after a long day at work, what's better than developing a gambling addiction? Now, there's 8 different prints you could win, but we both had our eyes set on the Metro card. Thing is, we only had $10, and our odds were starting to look bleak.
Wow, the hot dog. Are you kidding me?
Sigh.
Is that the street sign? Stop it. Are you kidding me? This is rigged.
Oh.
This is rigged.
Okay, again.
Until finally, on our 8th try, we got one.
Is it the street?
But we still wanted one more. $2 left, $1 left now, our final try, and what a ride. Highly recommend checking out if you're in New York.
Aw.